everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting on the daily chart with our channeling as usual for our impulse toward the upside, where we are looking at our price action between the base channel, acceleration channel, and corrective channel, which is a very critical time now for Solana to see somehow a price action, whether it is a resistance or a breakout towards the upside. So we are in a very critical area, guys. As I always mention, this triangle is the most trickiest area for any crypto right now, where we are very close to our acceleration channel. And as you can see now, we have rejected today. After bottoming or after topping, possibly we're gonna see, of course, more insight what happened and what are the possibilities for continuation towards the upside in case we are continuing. So these are the things we are still in between. Now, much more probably on the daily chart, if we look at this chart, it is now for channeling much more probable that we test the corrective channel and then we continue towards the upside. This is only on the daily chart, guys, what we are looking at. So basically as well, if we want to take all of this, let's look to our scenarios here as bullish for our counting what happened to it. So let's make this a little bit much clearer. So basically we have, we need to reanalyze the counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for the orange, that's fine. Then big wave 4 for the yellow, that's perfect. And then wave 5. So possibly our wave 5 in the yellow scenario has already topped right now, guys. And this is in a contracting diagonal. So far, if we have topped and we are going to move down, therefore definitely we have finished a yellow scenario here in F5 waves for a contracting diagonal. And by all means, you have just finished now in between the perfect levels and fib levels for a wave 5. Now I'm gonna remove this, or at least this one, just for clarity. Possibly, guys, after our prediction, it was of course 100%. That's nice to see. Now we have topped for a wave 3 in the white scenario, and that means we are in 1, 2, 3, and possibly wave 4 and a 5 again. Now, how much deep your wave 4 can go? It is the important questions right now. If we take now, so we are working on the wave 4 of the white scenario, so we need to take it from the wave 2 here. That's okay. So your minimum support for a wave 4 is the 172, guys. Therefore, all what we got in the US election, we're gonna take it back down. I think so. Yeah, this is the daily, guys. All right. So this is the daily, this is what it shows. So the minimum possible price for continuation towards the upside is the 172. Now, of course, it depends if this wave is finished internally. So we're gonna dive deeper inside it to see what are the potentials still. However, these are the possibilities. On the daily, we are short-term bearish. Now it can dive deeper. Don't forget that this wave 2 is very deep. We have reached the 0.78. Therefore, as alternation based on Elliott wave theory, we might have, for example, regular flat, or maybe, I don't know, expanding flat. It can goes up again. Expanding flat, it can be as well. And then continuation towards the upside. And this wave 4 is not gonna be fast, guys. This wave 4 is gonna be very long. However, that tells us, guys, as well on the daily, that even the bull market of Solana is very close to an end, to be honest. I mean, we just have still 4, 5 here, right, to end it up. And it depends how much the wave 5 is strong. We still need to take the high, and that is a little bit questionable here. So this is the high of Solana, right? This is the all-time high. So let's put our and keep it there. So yeah, it's a little bit it shows some weakness now, guys. All-time high. Okay. On the daily, I was preferring to have like double 1-2s, right? I mean, it is double 1-2s possibly still, but because of this, now it is a very last scenario, right? I was expecting to have a very, very big wave 3 towards the upside, right? And if this is not gonna happen, now we're gonna see internally, but yeah, it doesn't sound really nice for me, right? It doesn't look very nice. We might still have a rejection if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an orange finish and yellow finish. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing also the wave 3. Okay. Well, we still have one chance. If we get a 1, 2 here, if that is your wave 3 really, and it's gonna be extended, you might still have one chance to have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. And by all means, if your wave 4 reach the 0.23, and we move higher than this, we move higher than your wave 1 here, therefore we are in a higher wave 3. Okay, so that is still a possibility. Okay, that is still a possibility, but it is a little bit hidden yet, because if only we get a higher leg here than your wave 1, then this might be a wave 3. Okay, a very big wave 3. If not, if it ends up less, therefore this was your 4-5 for the white scenario, yeah, and that might finish here as maybe if we get, I don't know, if we're gonna get higher even than the all-time high, right, guys? And it's not really clear yet. So yeah, let's dive deeper. Let's dive deeper, guys, and see what's going on inside it. So maybe it gives us some hints what's gonna happen. Yeah, so on the 1 hour chart, where are we? Okay, on the 1 hour chart, yes, so this is our 3 waves. Towards the upside, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, that's true. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in orange, that's nice. Where we have finished as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, a lot of counting here. Okay, I have to make this a little bit less. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We finished inside this. An impulse after a 1, 2 in orange. That's true. Sorry. 4, 5, and then of course a 1, 2, 3. This has finished a wave 3. Your wave 3 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, all what you don't want to see now. Okay, here we go. What you don't like to see, guys, is the wave 4 dive deeper than your 0.38. Your 0.38 is taken, of course, from this wave 2 here, and the top of this wave 5. Okay, we're gonna check if it is done clearly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You would not like to see, okay, this is with the right fit. You would not like to see that the price moved to 0.5 level at 160. Because if we get to there, it's gonna invalid our bullish scenario, okay? You will still have only one chance where you get, where you become also a contracting diagonal after. But after this, yeah, you might have finished a wave 3 here and a wave 4. Okay, so internally, guys, we still have some chance to move higher. Okay, no worries. But preferably, to not hit the 160, okay, dollar for Solana, because if this turns into a contracting diagonal, your wave 3 in yellow is gonna finish in contracting diagonal, which is not nice. Yeah, which is not nice at all. Okay, preferably that your wave 3 did not finish yet. Okay, and this might be only a part, like, okay, after finishing here with your wave 5 in orange scenario, and you have finished your wave 4 and what is it, 5 here? 5, okay, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, it is preferably, guys, to be a 1, 2 maybe, and then 3, 4, 5. So preferably, if you want to see higher prices, that we don't anyway, in any case, to not dive, lower than 160. So that is two possibilities. So yeah, it reflects again now the daily chart here. If we are, if we have finished here the orange scenario, okay, with a wave 5, that suggests that a wave 3 has finished. Now, your wave 5 might be extended, okay, and then with this wave 5, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it is very possible to get an extended wave 5, okay, because your wave 3 is not shorter than your wave 1. So that is a possibility, guys. And is this taken? Okay, yeah, but also the possibility is a little bit low because you got already an extended wave 3. So taken here, the fib level that you see as 1.618 is taken from the 1, 2 in orange scenario, and it gives us that you have already passed the 1.618 for your wave 3 in the orange scenario, and that is a bad signal that your wave 5 might not be extended. Okay, so yeah, unfortunately. So higher probability that we have topped, guys, for the wave 5. We have topped for the wave 3 in the white scenario. We're still looking for a wave 4 in the white scenario, and in that case you will finish a wave 5 as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing your wave 3 in the yellow scenario, which is the big 1, 2 here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, one more chance is again, maybe we get a longer wave 5. If we get an extended wave 5, let's check it, by the way. That would be nice. Okay, this is where your chance is, guys, to get higher prices. Okay, so very obviously I'm seeking for higher prices in Solana probably. Okay, so 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, if your wave 5 got extended, it is very possible. Okay, because if we take now the fib levels, I mean, very obvious it looks like contracting diagonal. I hope that it transforms into an impulse. So your chance, wave 3 impulse, here we go. So you see, we did not reach even the 1.272 for a wave 3. Okay, so let me check again. We did not hit it. Okay, we did not even hit the 1.27. Okay, so that is a very shallow wave 3, and that give us, of course, an indication that this is not a contracting diagonal because my friends, we have hit the 1-to-1 fib level. This wave is longer than this wave, therefore it cannot work as contracting diagonal, and therefore this is an impulse. And because your wave 3 in the white scenario is very, very shallow, right? It's not extended. Therefore, your wave 4, 5, your wave 5 is gonna be very extended, okay? Because this is how impulses works, guys. If we get a very shallow wave 3, your wave 5 is gonna be very extended. If we got a very strong extended wave 3, your wave 5 is gonna be very, very shallow, even smaller than your wave 1. Therefore, our chance is here in this wave. Okay, now we need definitely to retrace. because we need a wave 4 and we need an extended wave 5. And that gives us, of course, the opportunity now to move, of course, higher and higher with Solana, where you're gonna get a wave 3 in yellow, 4, and a 5. Okay, but now we have a short-term bearish scenario. That's very obvious. Okay, guys, very obvious. Let's check inside here, guys, what's going on a little bit to see much more clearer view. Okay, so our impulse towards the upside, yeah, perfect. Yesterday we were, I remember now, I was seeking for one more wave towards the upside, and here we go to take the high. That's perfect. We finished perfectly an impulse. It's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin did not finish this wave as an impulse. So we have finished this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have finished a wave 5 in orange scenario, and therefore we have finished a wave 3 in the white scenario. And then now definitely, guys, we are looking for a retracement. This is a very sharp volatile wave towards the upside, and it looks like, yeah. So we need kind of 3 corrective waves now, right? We need corrective waves. Bearish scenario is, of course, reaching this price level, and yeah, in that case scenario, if we reach this price here, guys, that will opens, of course, different scenarios, okay, and especially a bearish market. Yeah, it could still be. Yeah. Now, of course, if we break the trend, which is your friend, yeah. So here we go. That's why this price as well is very critical. You don't want to get there. You don't want to get there, guys, because you're gonna break the trend, okay, and you're gonna break the fib levels, which are very critical and very deep for the wave 4. Lower than this, okay, we are in bearish market. Okay, guys, just to let you know what happened here, and this is gonna transform to A, B, and a C. Okay, and then boom, towards the downside. So yeah, without taking the all-time high. All right, very critical for Solana. Let's watch and see, guys, what's gonna happen. Yeah, so for the bears, you want to reach this level. For the bulls, you don't want to reach it. This is a key level now, guys. Up, down. Let's put this. Let's put it into, so mark up. So this is your still bullish scenario, and this is your bearish scenarios at 160. Okay, so let's keep this there, and yeah, let's see it in the next time how it's gonna unfold. So yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you for your likes and comments. Bye bye.